Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Jawar flour roti. It has a different pronunciation, Jawar, Jawar or Jawar. You can get this atta in your local grocery store. Even a big Walmart or some other grocery stores like Target, in Indian section they carry this atta. Jowar Roti is a little bit different than the wheat flour roti. It's a more of a hardness is there. You will eat it and you will know, but it's really good to eat. 2 cup jowar atta and 1 cup water. I always encourage when you are making a flour, you add like a 1 teaspoon any vegetable oil, but I'm going to use olive oil. I'm going to pass on this one to my lady and she will knead the dough. Then we'll make a roti and then I will share with you how it's easy to make a jowar roti. My lady going to knead the dough and she's going to put the flour into the big bowl and we're going to add water. It will take 1 cup water, but you know, it's always good idea. Add like a half cup, then keep kneading and then keep adding the water. When we make a wheat atta, with the 2 cup of flour, 1 cup is good. But with the jowar it takes a little more, so we're going to add some more water. 1¼ cup water we used it for 2 cup flour, and now we're going to knead the dough really well, so that's gonna take a couple of minutes. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon olive oil, and now we're going to knead the dough really well. Once the dough is kneaded, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes before we're going to make a roti. The dough has been rested for 10 minutes. Now we're going to make roti. I know many people ask me about to give a tour of my kitchen, and now my lady, she's going to pick up a rolling pin, and as you can see, she has many selection, many varieties of rolling pin. So we are ready to go, and now we're going to make roti. Making a roti from jowar atta is a little different. What I wanted to share with you that use a plastic bag or something if you have available. Right now I have a Ziploc bag. What I did, I cut it open, the Ziploc bag. Even though it's a new Ziploc bag, just wash it and dry it. And we're going to place it right here. Then we're going to make a peda. We're going to put it peda right in there. Then we're going to put top side like this. Then we're going to use the rolling pin to flatten it out. So I'm going to pass on to my lady. We're going to make a peda. Dust off a plastic bag with the flour and then place it on top, and now we're going to make sure that we're going to roll it out. And when you roll it out, then remove the bag. So keep turning and keep rolling out. Then we're going to take out slowly. And the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to lift it up and then we're going to place it right on the griddle. So keep it on a medium gas. As you see, it's start to change color. So now we're going to turn it over again. So it's just like a makki di roti, you know. Keep the gas between medium to medium high, and then it will be good. So this is not like a wheat roti that it will puff up. This is more like a makki di roti, but it's very nutritious and very healthy. It cooks perfectly on all sides. So if I can close in, look at how perfect. That's our Jawar Roti. So it's all done, and now we're going to get some butter. We're going to place it right here and we're going to start working on the second one. So it's a good idea that apply some butter right away, just like that. So if you are health conscious, please don't use butter. So this is the tip. Tip is first you remove from this side like this. As you see, it lifts out. Now you put it back again. Once you put it back, now we're going to lift this one all the way and turn it over. Then we're going to lift from this side. You see how it comes out? And now we're going to put our hand on this one. We're going to turn around like this. We're going to put a hand on this side, then it will come out and this side will go on the griddle. We see, we put it on a griddle. As you see, the gas is on medium and we're going to cook it. So if you see, the first was a stick all on the griddle. The second roti, it did not stick on the griddle. So this is the way it's going to be slowly cooked nicely on a medium gas. And now we're going to turn it over again. Very rare you will see that the Jowar Roti will be puffing. It's a more like makki di roti. So as you see, it started to change color. Now we can turn the gas on like a medium high. You just press it on the sides, so making sure that it's evenly cooked on all sides. So this one is ready. Now we're going to take it out and put it into the plate, and we're going to apply some butter. So as I mentioned, that the butter is strictly optional, and I have my vegetable ready, and these are the roti, and I'm going to taste it and let's see. So as you see, this is a Jowar Roti, and it's exactly like a makki roti, and it's with vegetable, any vegetable. I made this vegetable. I'm going to post the recipe for this vegetable. How to make tinda sabji. This is very delicious vegetarian dish. It's a very tasty. Just like you eating makki di roti. If makki is white, then that's the same texture and same flavor. It's a little bit on the drier side. So I hope you like Jowar Roti. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.